Tired of clunky workarounds to get your stunning 360 tour onto Zillow? This video will show you how to seamlessly connect your Ricoh Theta camera directly to Zillow, making your property listings stand out with immersive 3D tour. First, download and open the Zillow 3D Home app on your smartphone. It's available for both iOS and Android. Make sure you are logged into your Zillow account. In the app, select the property you want to add the 3D tour to, then tap the capture button to start the linking process. The app will prompt you to choose your camera. Select Ricoh Theta from the list of compatible devices. Ensure your Ricoh Theta camera is powered on and in wireless mode. The Zillow 3D Home app will automatically detect your camera via Wi-Fi. Once connected, you'll see a live preview from your Ricoh Theta camera on your smartphone screen. Now you are ready to capture 360-degree images within the app. Walk through the property, taking photos at strategic locations as guided by the app. Stability is key for high-quality tour. After capturing all your desired locations, the app will automatically process and upload the 3D tour to your Zillow listing. This might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. And that's it. Your property listing now has a beautiful, immersive 3D tour, ready to attract more potential buyers.